we go. Personal box of Absolute. Ever since I did that first one, I kind of wanted to do another one anyway. So. Another one I will do. And this is what the case we're doing is. A case of these guys. That one's, I was about to say, that one's ridiculously thin. Me. I opened one on Friday, and since I opened that, I've been wanting to open another, and hadn't done it yet, so. Thank you, sir. Got a fatty in there. Alright, let's see how many fatties. There's a fatty, there's a fatty. Redemption. Let's do this order. I don't know if there's a way to do them in a right order. Alright, Rob Gronkowski base. Even the base cards are sharp. Frank Gore. Is that base? Yep. Base of Frank Gore. Spectrum to 99, Josh Gordon. Spectrum to 99. Oh, I got 2 redemptions. This is redemption 2. Gavin Escobar, Hog Heaven, rookie. Huh? Number 99. Oh, that's the other. Wait, that's that one? I didn't take it off, I guess. Nope. I don't know what this means. Rookie Premier Materials AFC/NFC signatures. Mike Gillisley. I'm not sure what that means. It just says Rookie Premier Material AFC/NFC signatures 227. Mike Gillisley. So, whatever that means. Have to look it up. For the Titans, Chris Johnson, base, and Christian Ponder for the Vikings. Let's go back here. Manti Te'o, Hog Heaven. Number to 499, Spectrum Autograph Rookie, Jawan Jamison. Nice looking card there. Rookie to 499 of Connor Vernon. Oh, so there, okay, that was the hit. There wasn't a redemption in this one. I got you. Joel, it's just a personal box. Steve Johnson, base. Matt Flynn. Tyrann Mathieu, rookie to 499. For moi. Adrian Peterson, Hog Heaven. And what the heck? Team Trios to 99. Darren Sproles, Drew Brees, and Jimmy Graham. Triple jersey to 99. Nice looking card as well. Andre Johnson, RG3, Spectrum Black, the 49, Latavius Murray, rookie, Spectrum Black to 49, Rookie Hog Heaven of Tyler Wilson, And number to 99, Rookie Premier Materials autograph, Cordero Patterson for the Vikes. Rookie Premier Materials autograph for the Vikings. So there you have it.